the Windsor-Essex market is shifting again, and this month's numbers tell a very different story from what we've seen over the past few years. Prices are adjusting, buyer behavior is changing, and some home styles are suddenly selling much faster than others. If you own a home or plan to buy in 2026, the November stats are going to matter. In this video, I'm breaking down the real MLS data for November 2025, so you can understand exactly how the market is performing, what's driving these changes, and what it all means for you heading into the new year. I'm Linda Hakr with Jump Realty. Let's get into it. Let's start with the big numbers. In November, we saw 1,088 new listings, which is slightly higher than last year. We also had 419 sales. We're down from 469 sales in 2024. Our total sales volume came in at 235 million compared to 282 million last year. Prices have shifted as well. The average sale price is down about 5.6% year over year. The median sale price for November was $500,000, down from $541,000 in 2024. All of this points to a market that's much more balanced than the rapid pace we saw over the last few years. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture for the year. Listings are slightly higher than last year, with 15,679 homes listed so far in 2025, compared to 14,029 at this time in 2024. But while listings increased, sales activity dipped, moving from 5,632 sales last year to 5,391 sales this year. Sales volume followed in the same pattern. In 2024, we were sitting at 3.26 billion year to date, and this year we're just over 3.1 billion. So overall, we're seeing more homes coming to the market, fewer being sold, and slightly lower total dollar value. And that combination naturally builds inventory and creates a more level, less competitive environment for buyers. This isn't a downturn in the market. It's just what's happening, normalizing after several years of intense activity. What types of homes are selling? Well, the November data also shows us which styles buyers are gravitating towards. Here's the top 5. Number 1 is the bungalow. We had 99 sold. The average sale price was $459,382. Always in high demand among first-time buyers, downsizers, and retirees. The 2-story, we had 60 sales. Average price $755,000. These remain strong in family-friendly neighborhoods. The raised ranch, 47 sold. Average price $632,581. One of Windsor-Essex signature home styles, popular for space, layout, and functionality. The 1.5-story homes, we went through 39. Average sale price $386. And these are very accessible entry point for first-time buyers and investors. 5, the ranch style home, we had 35. Average price $637,897. Larger single floor layouts continue to attract strong interest. This is helpful for sellers because it shows exactly where buyer demand is strongest. And for buyers, it gives a sense of what types of homes are moving quickly, the price ranges, and buyer behavior. All right, let's look at the price ranges because this shows where the action is. Here's the most active brackets in November. We are between the 300 and the 450, and then the next bracket 450 to 550, and then from 550 to 650,000. These are the ranges that attract the highest number of buyers, especially young families. People are relocating as well to the region. Higher end homes over 900,000, they're still selling, but usually with more days on market, more negotiation, and fewer competing offers. Overall, buyers right now here, they have more choice, more leverage. They have the ability to include conditions and less pressure to rush. This is the most balanced market we've had in years. What this means for you if you're selling, pricing is everything right now. Homes that are priced correctly and show well still sell quickly. Overpriced listings are sitting longer and often require reductions. If you're buying, this is one of the most comfortable markets we've seen in a long time. You have options, negotiation power, and the ability to take your time. And keep in mind, every neighborhood behaves a little differently. What's happening in Tecumseh isn't always what's happening in Kingsville, LaSalle, or even Wheatley. If you'd like a personalized update for your neighborhood or want to know what your home might be worth in today's market, feel free to reach out. And if you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a market update. Thanks for watching. I'm Linda Hakr with Jump Realty, and I'll see you in the next one.